Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to tell you about one of the most underrated YouTube features that can get you more subscribers and more views. And I can guarantee you are overlooking this feature, YouTube playlist. Why this feature though? What I'm noticing is it gives you more chances of your content to appear in front of your people. And not only that, it makes your profile look more interesting and stand out. When I started, this was probably one of the first features that I utilized on my YouTube channel. And as a consumer on YouTube, and I go and look at other people's channels, being a content strategist in my head, ooh, what they really could do, turn this content into some playlists and use some long tail keywords so I can find this content better. And I think a lot of profiles are missing the mark when it comes to the playlist and customizing that in your profile so the people coming to your profile can engage in more of your content and want to subscribe because they see you're creating content around something that they actually want to get into. I will literally go to a page and look at the order of the YouTube profile. You're doing your YouTube profile a big disservice and you're doing your community a big disservice if you just leave the normal for you content or the popular content from your channel just floating at the top of the page and not rearranging that. You want your YouTube profile to be converted to get you more subscribers and get people to watch your content. YouTube prioritizes content like this. When you customize your content, you'll see that more people are watching related videos and they're binging your content. If this is new to you, I want to walk you through how you can actually use this playlist feature and customize your YouTube profile. Here we are at the homepage of my profile, and we're going to see what it looks like when you rearrange your playlist for your viewers. My channel is all about my experience as a multi-passionate solopreneur. I talk about wealth building. I talk about content creation. I talk about being a multi-passionate. If somebody's coming to my channel and they want to subscribe to the channel because they resonate with any of these, of course, I'm going to need to create some playlists around this. Main reason why How to Build Wealth with Your Gifts Online is the #1 playlist. There's also a description under that playlist so they know exactly what they're getting into, and they'll be most likely to click this play all button. Next thing, how to grow your small YouTube channel. Me talking about my road to monetization journey. We're on YouTube. Of course, people are interested in YouTube, and I'm a content strategist. This falls right in line. Post that content creation tips, all of my videos under content creation here. All of my resources, I just plug that in there. Highly recommend that. For you, I went ahead and added that, and this will show them videos that they're more likely to watch. Now, normally For You would be at the top here. If you go to your profile now and you haven't arranged this, it's going to be here with the popular videos as well, which is cool. You know, it's cool to have people come to your page and look at the popular videos because they might be interested in that if other people watched it. But if you look at the way this is structured, you can see how you're possibly missing out an opportunity. So now what we're going to do, go into customizing the channel so you can rearrange it on your end. So we're going to click on customize channel here, and this will bring you to changing your banner, changing your picture, your name, your handle, your pronouns, description. What you're going to do is click on the home tab, and this is where you rearrange your home page on your YouTube channel. So as you can see, when somebody returns to my page after they subscribe, this is the video that I have for them to see at the top of the page. The reason why I chose this video, it goes more into how I teach content strategy, and it includes a free template. This has been getting people on my email list consistently without me having to mention this video. It's at the top of my page. If you come to my page and you are interested in this, talking about if you hate sales, this is a content formula for you. Boom, right at the top of the page. Have a video at the top featured for returning subscribers. You can also do the same same thing for somebody who hasn't subscribed. Click on add section and add a channel trailer. I recently had this as YouTube video where I talked about me hitting 1K by the end of December 2024. I took that down because we're past December 2024 now and currently working on adding another channel trailer, an actual channel trailer. So you may want to do the same, something that you can introduce yourself, introduce your offers, what you do. Make sure that you click on this tab because if you don't, you're not going to be able to do that. And it's going to show your channel home tab so you can highlight all of these things and showcase more of your content for your audience. Isn't this a cool feature? If you haven't used this feature, no shame. Let me know down below how you plan to utilize that in the future. At one point, I was doing live streams on YouTube. These were my office hours where I just talked about all things content and entrepreneurship. I'm going to be bringing those back soon. Let me know any topic questions that y'all have down below. I am going to be bringing that back within the next couple of weeks. I have my live streams showing right under my first playlist. That way, when I have some live streams scheduled and somebody comes to my homepage, they're going to see that right under my first playlist. Rearrange the order however you want. At the bottom, I even have multiple playlists in one row. You go to add section, click on multiple playlists, click on all the playlists that you want to add, and boom, there they are at the bottom. And this is how you remove them. I'm going to remove that. You just play around with it. A single playlist, you click on that one playlist, and boom, there it is. Drag it, rearrange it, and put it wherever you desire. What do you think will make people watch your videos? That's the most important thing for your YouTube channel. What is going to make people watch more of your videos and then subscribe so they can keep coming back and watching the videos? What's going to make this experience easy for them? Every time they come to your YouTube channel, you have rearranged it for them. I honestly feel like this is the best way to get more subscribers to your YouTube channel. It has been working for me very well. And the way that I know that is because I have this video at the top of my channel and I get notifications when people subscribe to my email list. If they're subscribing to my email list from this video, I know that they're watching that from my YouTube channel. I don't have this video up anywhere else. That's how you customize your YouTube channel and set it up in a way that you can get more subscribers. Another thing that I do want to mention though, when you are creating your playlist, you see here, my playlists have Longtail keyword. How to grow your small channel on YouTube. A Longtail keyword is basically a question that somebody might be typing into YouTube. That is a great title for your playlist. That way your videos can be found in YouTube search and your playlist can be found in YouTube search. For example, the name of this playlist here, How to Grow Your Small Channel on YouTube. I'm going to take y'all on one of my favorite tools real quick in VidIQ and show y'all this long tail keyword and how often that's being searched and how much more potential this gives my channel to grow. In the VidIQ tool, I come to keywords and type in the long tail keyword, which is that question, how to grow your small channel on YouTube. It gives me the results here saying that this is searched 1,700 times, almost 1,800 times a month on YouTube. I go to related keywords to get more information. And if y'all don't know, I love SEO down. This is one of my favorite tools to use for SEO. I'll put the link down below if you'd like to subscribe to VidIQ. This is a great tool to grow your channel. If you're not using tags in your description, you're not adding them to your video, and you're not creating titles around it, you are missing out a big deal. So when I come here, you see the keyword here, and it also tells you related keywords to this. So instead of saying how to grow your small channel on YouTube, this one is being searched 80,000 times a month. That's crazy. I could change it to how to grow your YouTube channel, and I actually think, I don't know. In the future, I might change it, but I really do want this to be about growing your small channel. You use this to kind of see, okay, what is searched a lot? What has low competition? This one has medium competition. About 50 people post about this topic. For this one that I'm using already, about 69 people post about this topic. You could see why this one is ranked higher. It's less people talking about how to grow your channel on YouTube, but it's being searched 80,000 times. Actually, I think I'm going to go and change that now. What I wanted to show you is the Longtail keyword. If it were a shorter keyword in here, it'll show you the question. So I'm going to say, grow your channel on YouTube, and see what it populates. Okay, here we go. So these are all long tail keywords. I'm going to arrange them by the best search results, and I do this by clicking overall twice. And these are the best results at the top. How to grow your channel on YouTube, Carmichael. I could make either one of these the title of my playlist, and that will up the chances of somebody being able to find my content when they go and search on YouTube. Not only just finding my videos, those playlists show up in the search results too. So that's good to know if you didn't know that already. Hopefully that walkthrough was helpful and you immediately go to your YouTube profile and make those changes. Keep in mind when you're creating these playlists that you want to use long tail keywords, common questions that your audience has, and go and use services like VidIQ to look up what some of those questions are so you can create playlists and related content like a series so people can constantly come back to your YouTube profile looking for this content on these subjects, because that's all YouTube cares about. They want the people on the platform to watch the content. So if you're creating content related to each other and people are watching another video of yours after they finish that first one, the algorithm is going to be in your favor. And this will be really great with YouTube's new feature. I don't know if you heard, but nowadays people are watching YouTube more than they are watching Netflix. This new feature that YouTube has coming up is going to be really helpful for you when you start to create that bingeable and episodic content. So if you haven't already, now start thinking about what your series, your playlists are going to be about. Give us something to binge. How do you feel about this feature? Were you using it already? Do you feel like your content is bingeable and people can come back? Let me know down in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're new here, I create content for solo, multi, and creative entrepreneurs to help you be seen, felt, heard, and paid online as a brand and content strategist. And I do this here without sacrificing your well-being. As always, I appreciate you all for tuning in. I am Keisha Andrea. I'll see y'all on the feed in the next video. Happy creating. I love y'all. Peace.